We are doing something very special this year to celebrate Newcomer Day 2019. People of all ages from different places with different backgrounds and different customs will come together at Nathan Phillips Square to participate in the Welcome Gesture, a communal positive action. We are beginning with a series of inspiring workshops that will culminate in a grand-scale movement event in May 2019. In the workshops, we will practice positive attitudes and share actions of kindness together. The workshops are offered so we can start to tune into each other now. Everyone is welcome. Together, we can strive to create a safe place for reciprocity, for self-expression, positive interactions, and celebration of diversity, for welcoming and being welcomed so that we all experience giving and receiving in equitable ways. With the Welcome Project, we are learning through positive gestures and celebrating core Canadian values by creating space for all people to come together and to be well together. In May 2019, hundreds of people will gather at Nathan Phillips Square to participate in the Welcome Project. We hope you will be one of these people.